You are losing all of your money buying into rug pulls while random nobodies are literally making $20,000 a day just by doing this. Not from trading, not from investing, from creating the actual coins that you are buying. It's the biggest secret in crypto right now, and I found a website that makes it so fucking easy, it honestly should not be allowed. Here's what's happening. Every single day, new meme coins are launching. Thousands and thousands of them. But 99% of these people are doing it on the pump.fundex. It is insanely oversaturated, as you can see. So many are being created. The market caps don't go anywhere. They won't go above 4 or 5K. You might get a few buyers, but most coins will just fizzle out at absolutely 10K max. So even if you make a coin, you're just stuck fighting for attention in an absolute sea of trash. Here's where it gets wild. If you click on dexes and click on the Radium Dex, which is another platform where you can create coins, it's way less saturated. There's a lot less coins being created. The market caps are way higher. This one was created 15 seconds ago and it's already got a $24,000 market cap. This one's just created $1 million. Insane. We're talking just insane fucking market caps within literal minutes. But here's the problem. Creating a coin on Radium is very hard. You need developers, you need contracts, you need liquidity pools, you need absolutely everything. Until now. The website that I found, it's called coinflare.fun. It's basically pump.fun, but for Radium. It means you can make a coin just with one click, but this time, instead of going on the pump.fun dex, it goes straight on the Radium dex, where the real buyers are actually throwing money. Here's how insanely simple it is. First thing you do, go and make a coin. You can pick a name, put in whatever you want, your symbol, whatever you want. Put in just an image, can be whatever. Click next. Make sure the decimals stay at 9 and keep the supply at 1 billion. If you want a full guide on how to do this perfectly, join my Telegram. I've got a guide in there, and I can answer any questions that you want. You can either make a brand new coin by just doing this. So make sure once you've done this, put in your socials, all of that. Make sure all of these options are turned on and turn this on as well, but delete these two. You can leave that off if you want, but I recommend turning it on and then press create token. Just like that, it'll be up. Or you can copy a trending token where you can literally click on the pump.fun trending tokens that are doing well right now, like King of the Hill right here. You can just press create coin and in one click, it's already up. Put in your website, put in your socials if you're making a coin, not doing this. Even if they're fake, people just eat it up and it's insane. But yeah, so once you click create coin, either by doing this or by this, Coinflare will give you your CA, your address of the coin. That's your token. But it won't be live on Radium just yet. For what you need to do, you need to make a liquidity pool, which you can do in like 20 seconds. So click on manage liquidity up here. Click on your token. Make sure you've got Sol here. Click 90% here. So that's 900 million. And then right here, put anywhere from 0.1 to 0.5. Or you can do 1 if you want. As much as you want. As little as you want. Doesn't really matter. The more the better though. And make sure you have 0.3 Sol in your wallet for the fees. Don't worry though, you get all that back when you remove all the liquidity later. Once you press create pool, it'll be live straight on Radium. You can go on Photon and it'll be right here. Pretend this is your coin. Boom, it's live. You're gonna get buyers, you're gonna get sellers, you're gonna get heaps of people buying in for insane amounts of money right here. I can't do it live, obviously because of YouTube, but join my Telegram. I've got proof of this working. So boom, you've made a bunch of money. Liquidity's jumped up huge. Go back to Coinflare, click on manage liquidity. Make sure the same wallet you made the coin with is connected. Then come down here to Radium pools, click refresh. Your token will be right here. If you've done it all right, click the red minus button, click 100% and then remove liquidity. That's removing all the money in the coin and boom, just like that, you are insanely rich. Yeah, any questions, join my Telegram, link in description. But yeah, simple as that.